Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my online classes. This is Om Maths Corner. Today we shall discuss Statistics, chapter number 15, class 11, NCERT textbook. We shall discuss the questions of exercise 15.1. So let us proceed now. Question number 8. Find the mean deviation about median for the data. Xi is 15, 21, 27, 30, 35. Fi is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, mean deviation about median. In order to find median, first of all we need n by 2. How to find n by 2? N by 2 we find here what is the sum of Fi. This sum. For this purpose we find cumulative frequency. Right, we write 3. Now 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 7 21. 21 plus 8 29. Right. Now n mean summation I is equal to 1 to n of Fi. So this last term, this is the summation of Fi, right? So what is n by 2? This is equal to uh, uh, divide 2. So this becomes 29 divide 2. So which is equal to 2 ones are 2, 14.5. So where is 14.5? This comes under 21. So 14.5 mean we have, if these observations were in ungrouped data, then how we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 14 observations left side. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 observations right side. 14 plus 14 28. And this 15th observation, 15th observation is median is equal to 15th observation, which comes in this 21. So which is the 15th observation? This is 30. 30 is the 15th observation, right? Now what we do, we find here xi minus m. M mean median. Median is 30. 15 minus 30, this is minus 15. 21 minus 30, this is minus 9. 27 minus 30, minus 3. 30 minus 30 is 0, right? Next is 35 minus 30 is 5. In the next step we take the modulus sign. That means these negative terms also become positive. Okay, thereafter we find Fi into modulus of xi minus m. Okay, mean to say product of 3 into 15 45. 5 into 9 45. 3 into 6 for 18. 7 into 0 0. 8 into 5 40. Okay, now we find the sum of this column 148, right? Now what is the formula for finding mean deviation about median? This is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n Fi into modulus of xi minus m whole divide summation I is equal to 1 to n of Fi, right? So this summation is equal to 148 divide summation of fi is 29. This is equal to 5.103. So 5.1 is the mean deviation about median. Question number 8. Now question number 9. Find the mean deviation about mean for the data. Income per day in rupees 0 to 100 rupees, 100 to 200 rupees, 200 to 300 rupees, 300 to 400 rupees, rupees 400 to 500, rupees 500 to 600, rupees 600 to 700, rupees 700 to 800. This is the income per day in rupees. Number of persons, 4 persons having the income from 0 to rupees 100, etc. This is mentioned here. Okay, how to find mean deviation about mean? Here what is the difference? The class intervals are given. This first column, this represents the class interval. Here first of all what we do, we find the midpoint midpoint of the class interval. 0 plus 100 divide 2, which is equal to 50. 120 200, midpoint is 150. 200 300, midpoint is 250. 300 400, midpoint is 350. 400 500, midpoint is 450. 550, 650, 750. Okay, now what we do, we name this midpoint as xi. Right, now we see that these observations under xi, they are, the values are high. Okay, 50 150 etc. So what we do, we shall apply the shortcut method here. That is, we are going to find di. What is di? Xi minus a mean assumed mean, divide h. H mean the length of class interval. 100 minus 0, which is 100. Okay, so what is assumed mean? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Out of 8, 1 2 3 4 terms they are kept below, and suppose this middle, this is in the middle, suppose this is equal to a. We can also take 450 as a. Even then we can solve the question. Okay, in the middle we take the assumed mean. So what is xi? 50 minus assumed mean, which is 350, whole divide h. H is 100. And what is the answer now? This is minus 3. Likewise, here we shall get minus 2, next minus 1, next 0, next plus 1, next plus 2, next plus 3, next plus 4. Right, this way. So we have written these terms in the middle. Now next column is, now we find fi into di. Where is fi? This column is representing fi. Right, so 4 into minus 3, minus 12. 8 into minus 2, 9 into minus 1, 10 into 0, 7 into 1, 5 into 2, 4 into 3, 3 into 4, like this. Mean to say, we are finding here mean. What is mean? Mean is a plus summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into di whole divide summation I is equal to 1 to n of fi into h. This way we shall find mean, shortcut method. So here what is A? Assumed mean. This is 350 plus what is the summation of Fi di? We find this sum here. This sum is plus 4. Okay, so we write here this plus 4 whole divide summation Fi. Summation Fi mean this sum. This sum is 50. Right? So divide 50 into H. H 100 minus 0. This was 100. Right? Now what happens, this is equal to 350 plus 50 into 2, 2 into 4, 8. So 358 is the mean. Okay, now we find mean deviation. Mean deviation about mean, the formula is summation I is equal to 1 to n Fi into mod of xi minus x bar whole divide summation I is equal to 1 to n of Fi. Mean to say, here first of all we find xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar. Okay, where is xi? This is xi. 50 minus x bar. X bar is 358. So what is the answer? Minus 308. Minus 308. Right? Likewise 150 minus 358. This is 200 minus 208. Next 250 minus 300, this becomes minus 108. 350 minus 358, which is equal to minus 8. Next is 450 minus 358, this is plus 92. 550 minus 358 is plus 192. This is 292. This is 392. Right? So next what we do, we take the modulus sign. So this way all negative terms they also become plus terms. Right? Now we find Fi into mod of xi minus x bar. Okay, this product into Fi is this 4 into 308. Right, like this. So this way I have calculated this product. Finally we find the sum of this column, which is equal to 7886. Right? Now this value, this summation, the answer we write here 7886 divide summation of Fi, which is equal to 50, and dividing this we get 157.72 as the answer. That is mean deviation about mean of this data. So this was question number 9. Now next question. Now question number 10. Find the mean deviation about mean for the data. Height in centimeter, number of boys 95 centimeter to 105 centimeter. This height 9 boys. 105 centimeter to 115 centimeter. This height is of 13 boys. Like this data is given. So here once again we find the midpoint. Midpoint. Whose midpoint? This class interval. 95 plus 105 divided 2. 100 is the midpoint. Here 105 plus 115 divided 2. 110. 110 is the midpoint. Similarly, 120 is the midpoint. 130 is the midpoint. 140 is the midpoint. 150 is the midpoint. Okay, so midpoint we name this xi. Number of boys, this is fi. Right? Now we find di. What is di? This is equal to xi minus assumed mean divide length of class interval. So first of all, length of class interval h, this is 105 minus 95, which is equal to 10. So assumed mean, in between which term is there? Out of 120 or 130, we can assume any one. Suppose this is equal to a, so a is equal to 120. So xi mean 100 minus 120 minus 20, divide 10, this becomes minus 2, this will be minus 1, this will be 0, this will be plus 1, this will be plus 2, this is plus 3. Right? Now we find FIDI. FIDI. This is FI and this is DI. 9 into minus 2 is minus 18. 13 into minus 1 minus 13. 26 into 0. 30 into 1. 12 into 2. 10 into 3. Right? Also the sum of FIDI, this column, the sum is 53. 53 is the sum. We also find the sum of this column, which is equal to 100. This is the sum of FI. Right? Now for what purpose we are finding this sum? Because we are interested to find the mean with shortcut method. What is the formula? X bar is equal to assumed mean plus summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into di whole divide summation of I is equal to 1 to n of fi into h. Right? So this is equal to a mean 120 plus summation fi di, this is equal to 53, divide summation fi, which is equal to 100 into h, h is equal to 10. So this is equal to 120 plus 1 0 cancelled, 5.3. So this is equal to 125.3. this is the mean. Okay, now we shall find mean deviation about mean. For this purpose we write here xi minus x bar. What is xi? This is xi. X bar is 125.3. okay, so 100 minus 125.3, this is 20 minus 25.3. Next, this is 110 minus 125.3, that is minus 15.3. 120 minus, this becomes minus 5.3. Now 130 minus 125.3, this is equal to 4.7 plus 4.7. Likewise 140 minus 125.3 is 14.7. Next is 150 minus 125.3, 24.7. In the next step we take the modulus, mean to say these negative terms, they will also become plus. Okay, now we find fi into xi minus x bar its modulus. That is, we multiply fi is this and this term, 9 into this. So this is the product of fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. Now we find the sum of this column. The sum is 1128.8. Right? Now what we do, we write the formula finding mean deviation about mean x bar. This is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n of fi into xi minus x bar whole divide summation I is equal to 1 to n of fi. Right? So we have this value is equal to the summation. This is 1128.8 divide summation of fi is 100. Okay, now what is the calculation? This is equal to 11.288. 11.288 is the final answer to this question, mean deviation about mean. Question number 10 is over. Now next question. Now question number 11, find the mean deviation about median for the data. Marks, number of girls 0 to 10 marks, 6 girls obtained 0 to 10 marks, 8 girls obtained 10 to 20 marks, 14 girls obtained 20 to 30 marks, 16 girls obtained 30 to 40 marks, 4 girls obtained 40 to 50 marks, 2 girls obtained 50 to 60 marks. Find the mean deviation about median. For this purpose, again first of all we find cumulative frequency. Like this, first of all we write this 6 as it is. Next 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 14 28, 28 plus 16 44, 44 plus 4 48, 48 plus 2 50. This is the cumulative frequency. Mean to say number of girls, they represent fi, and sum of this column is 50. Right? In the next step, this means this number is called n. So what is n by 2? This is 25. N by 2 is 25. Which term is containing 25? This is containing 25. 28 is containing 25. Right? Now what is the formula for median? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C divide F into H. Right? Now the thing is, how, from where these values are to be obtained. 28 in front of this, this is the model class, sorry, this is the class. From here, lower limit, this is called L. So L is 20 plus n by 2, this is 25, minus C. Minus C mean this, above this, this is 14, 14 whole divide f. F mean this is f. Okay, this is f, and this 14 is called c. So what is f? F is 4, f is 14, c is also 14 into h. H mean the difference of 0 minus h is equal to 10 minus 0, which is equal to 10 into 10, right? So we have 20 plus 25 minus 14, 11 upon 14 into 10. So this becomes 20 plus 110 divide 14. We can say this is equal to 20 plus 7.857. 857. Okay, so mean to say this becomes 27.85. This is the median, right? Now what we find? We find here midpoint. Midpoint of marks, the class intervals, which is named as xi. Midpoint of 0 and 0 to 10 is 5. Here midpoint is 15. Midpoint is 25. Here midpoint is 35, 45, 55, like this. Now we find the value of xi minus median. Median is 27.85. Okay, xi is this 5 minus 27.85. This is minus 22.85. Again this becomes minus 12.85, right? Now this becomes minus 2.85. Next, 35 minus 27.85. Answer is 7.15 plus 7.15. Next is plus 17.15. Next is plus 27.15. Okay, in the next step what we do, we take the modulus sign. So this way negative also becomes plus. Okay, now we find the value of fi into modulus of xi minus m, right? Where is fi? This is fi. 6 into 22.85, 137.1. 12.85 into 8, 102.8. 2 into 14.8, 2.85 into 14, this is 39.9. 7.15 into 16, 114.4. 17.15 into 4, 68.6. 2 into 27.15, 54.3. Now we find the sum of this column. The sum of this column is 517.1. Okay, now we find the mean deviation about median. Formula: mean deviation about median formula is summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into xi minus m whole divide summation I is equal to 1 to n fi. This is the formula. So we put the value What is the summation? This is 517.1 divide summation of fi. This is equal to 50, right? We divide this number by 50. Answer is 10.342. Okay, so this is the question number 12. This is the last question of the exercise 15.1. Calculate the mean deviation about median age for the age distribution of 100 persons given below. Age is given in years. Number 16 to 20 years, this group 5 people. 21 years to 25 years, 6 people. 26 years to 30 years, 12 person. 31 years to 35 years, 14%. Like this is the data which is given here. Okay, now what is the question? Find the mean deviation about median. So here first of all what we see, the frequency distribution 16 to 20, thereafter 21 to 25. There is a break, this is not continuous. So first of all we have to convert these class intervals into continuous frequency distribution. How to do that? This is the lower side, upper limit, lower limit. Lower limit is subtracted with 0.5, upper limit added with 0.5. That is, we shall write 15.5 to 20.5 like this. The new class intervals, they will become now like this: 15.5 to 20.5. Next also we move left, lower limit 0.5 is subtracted, so this becomes 20.5 to 25.5 like this. Now 20.5, 20.5, this becomes, these class intervals, they will become continuous frequency distribution. This way, first of all the class intervals, they are converted into continuous frequency distribution, right? Now we have this number mean f, frequency is given. First of all we find the cumulative frequency. How to find that? 5 is written as it is, no change. Now 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 12, 23. 23 plus 14, 37. 37 plus 26, 63 plus 12, 75 plus 16, 91 plus 9, 100. So mean to say this sum is 100, right? The sum of frequencies is 100. Now question is how to find frequency median. Median mean the formula is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divide frequency into h, right? So first of all n by 2, here n by 2, n is equal to 100, divide 2 becomes 50. So 50 comes here in 63, 50 is also there. So what we say, in front of this class gives us lower limit 36 is L plus n by 2 we have already solved, 50 minus cumulative frequency. This 37 is equal to cumulative frequency. So 37 divide frequency, this 26 is frequency. frequency 26 into h mean 20.5 minus 15.5 5, right? We solve this now. 36 plus 13 upon 26 into 5. So again this is equal to 36 plus 13 into 2, 5 upon 2, which is equal to 36 plus 2.5. So answer is 38.5 is the median. Now we find midpoint of the class interval, continuous class interval. 15.5 plus 20.5 divided 2, which is equal to 18. 20.5 plus 25.5 divided 2, 23. Here this is 28. Now this is 33, 38, 43, 48, 53. Okay, so midpoint we name this as xi. Now we calculate xi minus median. Median is 38.5. 18 minus 38.5. The answer is 20.5. Like this, minus 20.5. Next is minus 15.5. Next is minus 10.5. Next is minus 5.5. Next is 38 minus 0.5. Next is 4.5. 38, this was minus. Next is 9.5, 14.5, like this. Okay, in the next step what we do, we just take modulus sign, so that the negative terms they also become plus term, positive. Okay, lastly we calculate fi into modulus of xi minus m. Where is fi? This is fi. 5 into 20.5, 102.5. Next is 15.5 into 6. Answer is 93.0. Next is 10.5 into 12. Answer is 126.0. Next 5.5 into 14. Answer is 77.0. Next is 0.5 into 26. 13.0. 4.5 into 12. 54.0. 9.5 into 16. 152.0. Last is 14.5 into 9. 130.5. Now we find the sum. What is the sum of this column? Here sum is 748. Okay, now how to find how to calculate the median, mean deviation about median. Formula is mean deviation about median is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into mod of xi minus m median whole divide summation I equal to 1 to n of fi. So this becomes this summation from this column, this total this was 748. Divide this division of fi is 100, then answer is 7.48. This is the mean deviation about median. So this way we have solved all the questions of exercise 15.1. Thank you for watching. Thank you.